Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty and I'm back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be collaborating with Julia Hair, also known as Ali Julia Hair from AliExpress, and they sent me this beautiful highlighted wig, and it was a 4x4 pre-made 24 inches wig. With the 24 inches wig that also had a fake scalp, which I actually quite liked. I've never tried that before, so this is my first time using a wig that had a fake scalp on it, like, the fake scalp method, like the stocking cap, that kind of thing. That's what that cap version is, and it just, I don't know, but let's see how it works with how I try and slay the hair. My first time doing it, so bear with me. I'm literally learning as you're learning as well. As you can see, you can kind of see the line of the demarcation on the lace where the stocking cap or where the cap ends. But I'm going to show you that trick that I learned. So right here I'm just repositioning the wig where I want it to lay at, and I want it to be at the middle, for me bang on the middle or thereabouts. I'm then going to take my crocodile clips, and I believe that's what they are called, and I'm going to, clip down the hair so I can start plucking the hairline to my satisfaction, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then after that, I'm going to do the hair down and then cut off the excess lace. As this is a closure, I'm not going to go overboard with my plucking because I kind of want it to stay like that closure look. Normally I have my closures looking like a frontal, but today, because this is a coloured hair, I don't know if they'll suit me with all the coloured baby hairs, so I'm just going with what I know and what my comfort zone is, and I'm just sticking by that. So I'm just going to keep it like a normal closure. I'm just going to pluck a little bit, and also because there's a fake scalp, so it kind of prevents you from plucking too much. But yeah, sorry guys if I talk too much. I'm trying to make this video as detailed as I can be. But with that being said, I'm gonna now cut a line through the lace, and I'm gonna cut off the tabs that are kind of weird on the end of the lace so that it doesn't look weird. But yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but when you see me do it, you'll understand. Now, in order to blend the fake scalp and my hair, I'm going to take tanning spray, which acts as an alternative to lace tint because I ran out of lace tint. I'm going to take this tanning spray, and this is any brand. You can get the drugstore one, you can get the expensive one. I'm just using any one that I found from Amazon, and I'm going to now take it and spray it on the fake scalp in order to blend that, hairline in, kind of. And don't worry, it will dry medium because this was in the shade medium. So in order to start the process of gluing the wig down, I'm going to first use rubbing alcohol to clean off any excess makeup that I might have, or any droplets of the tanning spray that I might have dropped on my head. I'm going to clean off the excess oils, the makeup, so that area is nice and clean and prepped to start the gluing. I'm then going to use a skin protect to spray onto my hair so that the lace glue will not change color, or some people might have sensitive skin. That's just in order to give your head an extra protection from the lace glue, or whatever lace glue that you do use, in case it might be harmful, or you might just have sensitive skin. That depends, especially for those who are wig wearers all the time and they glue their wigs all the time. I suggest you find a skin protect that will protect your hairline from dark lines and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna now put the first layer of glue on my head, and then after that I'm gonna wait till it's tacky enough and completely dry, not completely dry, but tacky enough so I can put the second layer, and then stick the lace on my hair. So here I'm just taking my hot comb just to comb through the flyaways, come through the wax stick that I just used on the hair, and you know, keep the hair smooth and sleek. One thing I love about this hair is actually very soft. When I run my fingers through it, it's so cool, so nice. I really love that about the hair. Only thing though, that I think it's the con, the hair kind of sheds, which is, you know, understandable because it is processed, it is bleached hair to get that desired color, so I understand that. But yeah, now I'm just taking the headscarf that came with the box, the packaging, which I love actually. I'm just going to use that and wrap around my hair. But other than that, I love this hair. This hair is beautiful. The color, I was scared that the color wouldn't suit me, but when you see the finished look, I got so many comments saying that I look nice. So yeah, I love the hair. This is my first time ever having any color other than black. That's out of my comfort zone, but I really do love this hair. But yeah, I'm taking the headscarf right now and I'm just gonna wrap around my head so I can lay the glue down, lay the lace down, and then like in 5 minutes I'm gonna come back, take it off and cut the lace off. And I might not do baby hairs because this is a closure wig. I do normally make my closures look like frontals, but because this is a coloured wig, I don't know if I want to do that because that's then stepping out of my comfort zone. So who knows, but I'll probably just leave it as a normal closure, how you rock a normal closure. But yeah, stay tuned. So I wanted to change the look, I didn't want it straight no longer, so I decided to curl the hair, but I kind of made it like a wave. I didn't want to fully curl the hair, I just want to kind of give it a little bit of volume. So now you can see me, I'm kind of curling the hair, and you see the way I'm curling it away from my face. I'm trying to give it a, you know, oh, that curl is nice, that's a good wave. But yeah. This is the finished look of the curls, and I'm just going to use my hands and run my fingers through it, kind of, you know, diffuse the curls a little bit because I don't want it to be too curly, but you'll see at the end when I'm finished. For the hair to be extra flat, I'm just going to take my headscarf and wrap around my head for like 5 minutes so the hair can be extra flat. Don't worry guys, I'm going to leave the necessary details down below to how to check them out, how to find the link for this hair, and also please guys follow me on Instagram at Dynasty Locks Lounge, and also follow the hair company Julia Hair on Instagram. I'll leave everything on the description bar below. But yeah.